Hey guys, this is the Björn Hall Stethoscope official launch. Alright guys, this is the time, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. My name is Jenny, as you all know. This is Chris.
Hey everyone.
My husband. He's been kind enough to volunteer to be in one of my videos. So stick around guys, I've got two surprises for you at the end of the video. This is basically, this is my little baby. This is my husband, but this is my baby, so...
That's the baby, and she spends a lot more time with that than
Stethoscope number one, husband number two. Sorry about that, but that's how it is. So I'm going to get Chris to open it up, and I'm just going to talk you through my stethoscope. So,
okay.
Here we go.
So, I'm looking at this lovely box. It says Bjorn Hall Stockholm series. So, why is it Stockholm series?
Stockholm series because I am from Stockholm. Stockholm is where I am born. I am Swedish, and it's just, it's dear to my heart, so.
Okay. And obviously, stethoscope. So, let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. I can say that she spent a lot of time in designing this, and it's really, really cool to look at.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you put your fingers in here and you slide it out.
Alright, there you go.
Wow.
It comes out in one piece.
Yeah, comes in like this. It's obviously the stethoscope runs all the way around.
And how do you, now you know that, but you might not know that, how you take it out. So you don't try and just pull them apart, you won't get it out. You have to start with the...
binaurals.
Yeah.
So you start here and you just edge it out like so until they pop out, and then you just pull the little lever there and then it basically unwraps itself.
Now, what's the first thing you see when you open up this and hold the stethoscope up?
First thing I see is how awesome the chest piece is.
Okay.
So yeah, I've noticed that the tubing's a little bit bent.
Yes, so the tubing has a couple of kinks in it, and that's just because it's been in the box for quite some time and it's been wrapped around and quite tight. Don't worry about it. After 3 days or so, it will go back to its natural straight state. So here's a stethoscope that I've had out of the box for 3 days, and it's gone back to its natural straight state. It doesn't impact on the functionality of the stethoscope at all. It's just how it looks for a few days, and then. So
yeah, just looking at the ear tips, they're nice and soft, coming down onto yeah.
They've got something on it.
Oh yeah, they've got our name on there, Bjorn Hall.
Yeah. Looking
at the binaurals, I've got designed in Stockholm. Wow. Okay, you got a nice little touch there. I like it.
Yes.
And coming down there on the chest piece, you guys probably can't see it, but it's got engraved Björn Hall Stockholm series, and just the model number on there as well. Mm-hmm. So both sides obviously have a diaphragm. Yep. And it's got the indicator which tells you which side is live.
So you can turn it, it's turnable.
Yeah, it's turnable, as you can see.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Do you want to try the ear tips in your ears?
Yes. Okay. Now, something that I've learnt with all these stethoscopes around the house is you have to point outwards. Okay?
Yep.
So, no. Hold on.
Are they soft in your ears?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt at all.
Good.
Okay, so you want me to try it? Yeah?
Listen to my heart. That's about right.
Cool.
You can hear it?
I can hear it very clearly.
Nice.
Alright.
Do you want to just give that a go with a Littmann Classic 3?
Sure.
And just listen to my heart and see if there's any difference?
Okay.
I've got a beautiful Littmann Classic 3 here.
Okay.
It's good?
Yeah, I can't tell the difference, but I want to go back to that one to double check.
Yep.
Okay.
Give it a go.
Yeah. I can't hear the difference between the two at all.
But you're not a medical person, but
No.
your ears are ears.
My ears are ears. Okay. So now coming back to the packaging and where the stethoscope was wrapped around. Ready? Voila.
Nice.
So you want to go through what these are?
Yep, I do. I'll start with the insert here. So right here you got a little insert and it has got a user manual in it. So how to use a stethoscope, how to clean it and all that jazz if you don't know already.
I'll take that. Thank you.
That's you can learn.
Yeah.
And then I have 3 little cards in there and we've got why we care, we've got show us your stethoscope and how it all began. So just a little bit of information about me, the stethoscope, about little bits and pieces.
Okay, I'll take this. It's assuming it's the spare kit that comes with it.
Correct.
Nice little
Case
that you can take anywhere. You can put in your bag. Now I know what's in there because I've seen it a million times. You got the large size right here. You got the extra medium size. So if you ever lose them or damage them, you've got an extra set. And you got the small ones there as well because 3 different sizes.
Different size ears.
Different size ears.
Everyone's got different size ears.
Yeah, and Jenny's put in here also an extra large diaphragm, extra small, and then if you want to convert the pediatric to
a
open bell,
you can.
Okay, cool.
Just like that.
Great.
Okay, and so just to clarify, you get 3 sets in there, and on the stethoscope you have a pair of medium size. So essentially you get 2 medium-sized ear tips. So for this very special first launch of my stethoscope, I've decided to give you all 50% off the full price for 4 days. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, that's unreal.
I thought so. So guys, I don't want anyone to miss out. You can buy the stethoscope on Amazon.com right now. So head on over, have a look, don't miss out. It's only for 4 days, so get in quick. Okay, now let me tell you about something I've been cooking up in the background behind all this stethoscope business. I've been designing a stethoscope case, which looks like this, opens up like that. Very nice, very luxurious. I'm super proud of it. You can pop your stethoscope in it, protect it, especially if it's white. You're gonna need a stethoscope case to protect it from any stains and dirt that you have in your bag or your locker. So that's that one. And number 2 is my Björn Hall tote bag. And this bag I've actually been designing with all the members in my nursing group. I've asked them for advice and they've given me all their thoughts on what they want in a tote bag. So that's looks, can you hold that one?
Yep.
Thank you. Like that. And it's got 2 handles and everything, but that's a sneak peek, guys, but you will see more of this very soon. Thanks, Chris, for attending another one of my videos.
You're welcome.
Always a pleasure to have you. And thank you guys for watching. You guys have been my inspiration all along, so I love you guys. As always, remember, listen with your heart. Bye.
Great job.
You too.